Good afternoon, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're rolling into this job here in Perry, New York. We are on the last day of the year. We're here on New Year's Eve, going to be installing a granite countertop. We have some cabinet modifications to do here. We rolled in here right at noon. We have all of our tools out. We're gonna see how fast we can get this done. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here on New Year's Eve of 2022. We got to this job site around noon. It's 5 o'clock now. We're just all wrapped up. We're here with our customer, Patrick. What do you think of your new countertops, Patrick?
Love them. They look great. Just like you said they were gonna be, they look great.
Awesome. About how long ago did you pick these out?
Picked these tops out on Thursday of this week, a couple days ago.
And here we're on Saturday and we're already installing. What do you think of the installation job and the overall fit?
Very good. Cleaning the place up. Everything looks great.
Awesome. What did you think of looking at full slabs at our place versus little samples?
Much better to look at a full slab, pick out the one you like, for sure. And you can see it on the computer. You made everything fit and look right.
Awesome. Well, we really appreciate your business and thank you very much and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year, guys.